Leola in my mirror, river mist behind the glass. That old ferry's gone to memory, but the current's built to last. Took the rise where the blacktop narrows, watch the daylight find the signs. Now the road hums low and easy, just a highway through the pines. Telephone wires like silver ribbons, stretching stories down the line. Farm dogs bark and fade to echoes, timber trucks roll steady time. Every mile feels like forgiveness, every band a brand new rhyme. With the sun between the branches, on this highway through the pines. There's an old caboose near Poyen, rusty wheels still taste the rain. Saw a cross beside the shoulder, carved a name I can't explain. But the air feels clean and restless, like it's humming with design. My heart keeps time and whispers down this highway through the pines. Now the ghosts ride quiet shotgun as the asphalt finds its tune. Every shadow's getting softer, every thought's got room to bloom. And I'll chase this stretch of silence till the daylight turns to wine. Let the road unwind before me, a highway through the pines.
Saw your picture in a diner glass, edges torn and colors gone. Like every town I passed on by, that faith before I moved along. The train was wailing through the hills like it knew the hurt I hide. 100 towns behind me now, still can't leave you behind. 'Cause I'm miles away and I can't go back. My boots are worn, my heart's off track. The sky turns red, the nights grow cold. I miss your hand, I miss your hold. But I'm long gone, yeah, I'm miles cross on a rusted post where the highway cracked and bled. A bar with shutters hanging loose in a town that up and fled. White lines hum beneath my feet like they're singing me a hymn. But there ain't no peace in moving on when I can't remember when. I'm miles away with a lonesome sound. The whistle cries when the sun goes down. I carry your face in a photo fold. Your name's the fire when the wind gets cold. Still I'm out here, yeah, I'm miles away. The rain comes soft through prairie light like a hymn on chapel stone. I lit a smoke near a BP sign, felt more empty than alone. I'd turn around if I could stand the look I know you'd give. But the road don't care for reckoning, it just tells you how to live. Now I'm miles away and I can't unwind the thread I pulled when I left you behind. My coat is thin, my faith is frayed, and I still whisper your name each day. But you're back there, and I'm miles away.
Got a full tank, sun's just rising. Playlist loaded, skies are smiling. No map, no plan, just east or west. Only thing missing is you on this quest. Highway signs like invitations, miles ahead, no reservations. Wanna feel the wind blow through your laugh, wanna leave the past in the rear view glass. They say the Rock Island left her rails in the weeds, and ties half buried, swallowed by seeds. But one old switchman never made it home, vanished down the siding where the freight cars groaned. Had a payroll box, brass latch and chain, headed through the bottoms in the drizzling rain. Found that box emptied down by the covert hole, and folks still whisper about the switchman's gold. There's gold in the ground by Poyen Creek, under pine roots twisted and mud-stained feet. They say when the moon hits the rails just right, you can hear his hammer in the middle of the night, and the shovel still rang where the story's told. They're digging for the switchman's gold. Drifters and old men too, all took their turn on that midnight clue. One man swore he saw a ghost light flare right before the earth gave way down there. Now the trains don't run, but the legend rolls through the hush of the pines and the whistle poles. Every metal spark in the silt